Looking for a highly equipped compact SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Cherokee Limited in pearl white with adaptive cruise control with stop and go, automatic high beam headlamp control, 19-inch granite crystal aluminum wheels, granite crystal exterior accents, dual bright exhaust tips, anodized gunmetal interior accents, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, park view rear backup camera, remote start system, blind spot and cross path detection, second row adjusting seats, tungsten interior accent stitching, carpeted cargo area with trim panels, tonneau cover, foot-activated hands-free power liftgate, 3.2-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5424.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.